Hey you kids. Well, I've tried installing a bunch of different operating systems on this $80 cheap satellites, none of which have worked. So, yeah, I've tried filming this like multiple times with different operating systems, none of which have worked, so we're going in with Ubuntu 16.04. We already did Ubuntu on this thing, but that was 10.04, and this is 16.04. So, yeah, this is 16.04. Xenial Xerus. So, yeah, let's boot it up and see if it actually boots. There we go. Ubuntu. Ah, beautiful bongos, eh? Alright. Welcome. We're going to install Ubuntu. Preparing to install Ubuntu. Yep, there you go. So we'll erase disk and install Ubuntu. Install now. Continue. Who are you? Well, my name is Bella. Computer name is Tosh. Username Bella. Choose a password. This should be easy. I'm just gonna do Ubuntu, and then Ubuntu again. Log it automatically. Here we go. What I like to do is do this. Yeah. Okay, installation is complete. Restart now. Okay. Okay, and there we go. Beautiful. We can open Firefox. Let me just close that. Yes, close. So, yeah. That's it for this video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.